want to do you know? NEWLINK on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Attack.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. The attacking boss is here, my people. They are me. I come with a sad one again, my viewers and subscribers. Very sad one, my people. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, my viewers and subscribers. But first of all, before I start the topic, me have a question I want to ask my viewers and subscribers. Anyone today in the world, you see me? And we are talking mostly for the Caribbean people, them. Or mostly said Jamaican people. See it? Alright, question is, when you left Jamaica, or you left in the Caribbean, and go abroad, or get a chance or opportunity to go abroad, whether you go USA, England, or Canada, where you go there for? That's my question. You not go there for a better life for you, or for your family, or for whatever. But you go there for a better life because either just be where you want to stay in your place in your country if you don't want to go somewhere for a better life. Not true. But let me tell you something, people. You see, a lot of people, them not choose better life. Them have a different mindset. Me are telling you the truth. You see me? Me myself ask the question. And you see, for me, people, me I go for a better life. You see me? Better life are where me want, you know. You see me? So me, I go abroad from the Caribbean or from Jamaica where me come from. Me I go for a better life. You see me? No joke about it. But as me are telling my viewers and subscribers, some people, them have a different mindset and a different mentality. No joke about it. Here what I go on now. Today date of doing this recording is July the 1st, 2025, my people. So we just forward into the new month of July now. You see me? Over the weekend, my people. Zinka today a Tuesday, so over the weekend between say Saturday, Sunday. You see me? A very sad and tragic and drastical incident occurred over there in the United States of America, my people. Over in a Bronx, New York. Zin? Involving two Jamaican national, my people. A male and a female. The male, my people, who them say is 39 years old. And the female, who them say is 40-year-old. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? But unfortunately and sadly, my people, she is no longer with us on earth. May her soul rest in peace if she can right now. This 39-year-old same thing, my people, the male, police lock him up, police have him in a custody, my people. And guess what now? Pertaining to the funny taking out of the brother of this 40-year-old lady. Well, them say she, my people, in Jamaica, she used to be a farmer, employee of the Gleaner Company and thing. For the male, the 39-year-old John Crumb, I don't know where he used to work, you know, my people. Only thing I know is him commit one of the most cruel and vicious act. You understand, over in a New York, my people. It's so sad because, people, he's a Jamaican national and she's a Jamaican national, my people. They were both in a relationship together, but you don't know how a relationship go, my people. And all the while things are going to go great and things are going to go good, my people. So, things basically are go down the road, my people. That no good road. Them have problems and ups and downs night. The relationship mix up and bang around and go on the night, my people. See? And instead of this sin thing go seek some help, whether mentally or whatever, my people, him decide to take things the other way and use a knife object, my people, and the whole heap of damage to this lady. Her chest, her arm, and everything. Whoever find her in the apartment where them stay over Bronx, people, there's someone called the police. Police come rush her to the hospital and from there she was pronounced. But she was basically gone, you know, my people. From the time she was, you get what me I say? My viewers and my subscribers, let me tell you something. It a get an attack, you know. This John Cry get an attack, my people. Khalil Cooper, I saw your name. Khalil Cooper. You, 39-year-old John Cry, let me tell you something. You is a wicked and a straight attack for you. You is a wicked. Me no care what nobody want to say, no. Me no care what nobody want to say. Zin? You see how you look like Chucky when piece of Chucky face cut off and they want to fit it back together and it still can't fit. You see how you look? Eh? Look upon your toe. If you have a Grinch half cousin or your last cousin from way around and can't find back your next cousin, look upon your toe. Eh? Look upon the nice woman. Eh? This woman let you in her life. Zin? No matter what the ups and the downs. Zin? No matter what, you have a wicked heart. Because if you can take that object and manage to come to boom and inflict. Eh? What she do? Tell me what she do, Khalil Cooper. What did she do? She take away your millions of dollars? And that she do? She give away the boom boom? And that she do? So what she do? That you think she deserves something like this. From your devil-minded side. Eh? The chance you get figure over, so. Me I tell her, say, I wish the day when you did take that plane for left Jamaica, Zin, I wish you did jump through it and jump out the ocean there and then never find you back. Because now, this girl should be alive right now. Me I tell her that she would be alive right now. Because a junker like you would never get the chance to do something like this. My people, let me tell you something. And it seems like them can't hear or them not listen, people. Zin, look here. No matter what, people, me in a relationship with no woman. Woman come and woman goes. And that's why I tell the junker them say them fear sense. Zin, have sense. You know what I mean? Nobody come tell me nothing about NEWLINK and if you call him junker. What you mean so me not have to call him? Eh? A woman gone, you know, brother, a life gone. It's a life it take, you know. It's a life it take. Zina, you go send a call. No, we mean not call it junker. It worse than junker too. Oh, I'm too, no. People look for life. Eh? Life goes on. Move from this, move and go. Go forward, bro. Woman come, woman goes. And that's why I tell them, look here, people, be smart. Be smart. Nobody come tell me nothing. Me no want no woman come tell me this. Say, look here, me in a relationship. Me if you give her everything. She if you work, and if you still give her much money, me if you still give her this and give her that. You understand? Me if you still pay all of the bills them in the house. Why she just work and save for her money? Eh? Some woman like that. Me a talk truth and uno do that to man. Ungo some fool man uno can do that too. Because no real man in them real sense. Now go there with no woman. Being in a relationship, two on together. She a work, you a work. And you take up all of the responsibility upon yourself. While you still a maintain her, give her money. Still a do her hair. Still a do her nails. Still a pay all of the bill them. Still a buy food put in the house. Eh? Which man go so? Which relationship go so? Not in my cabinet, Kevin James Vice NEWLINK. Attack. Not in my cabinet. Me say me not depend that. Me not go say no 50-50 thing, you know. Me not go say that. But all me can say the two of we in this together. Zin, the two of we in this together. You have some man out them fool. Look what them do now. Give the woman the card. Every week when them get PR fortnight, hear them now? Baby, me can get one 5 grand Jamaica we are. Then the America, baby, me can get $200 for pay me fare and buy a local lunch. People, what kind of idiot that? What kind of fool sin thing that there? Eh? Me rotted. Nothing no go so. Get over card. Get over card. For me card. I must have digital card or flow card, but not my ATM one. People, listen here. I'm not care nobody want to say. I saw a thing for set, bro. Because nowadays, there's so much things going on. Eh? You know how much man they road a walk a kick stone right now. And when I see them a kick stone, you know what? Hear the backstory now. Boy, the man go fall in love with one girl around there, so. And then go catch a girl and do this and do that. Eh? Go catch a girl in a house as in left work and go man catch man a throw rod panny. And boyfriend that. He licking here, he licking chip a madman in ton. People, oh my world, oh my patience, NEWLINK. Eh? Not in my cabinet, NEWLINK. So all me I say, you boy Khalil Cooper, Nobody believes me attack these things for you, you know. Because Junker, you done mess up already, you know. And I attack for you, Khalil Cooper. You see me? Me not stop attack you. But when me say my people, it's these men out there have sense and be smart. Because enough time when things like this do happen, you know, you hear the backstory, boy. Me not tell a lie, you know, wickedness in the but boy, man, give the woman all thy money. All thy life savings in give the woman. And you say, me ratty, that's a fool. You understand in a year, so because give the woman everything. And because the relationship done, the human take this, human take that, human left, we nothing go do this. Oh, my role of my patience, NEWLINK. No fee him fault in the human. And not him be fool and not be smart as sense. Ratted NEWLINK. Oh, them fool, so. People. Big up on yourself, yeah, man. Me tired of talk to them, man, sometimes. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. R.I.P. baby girl, R.I.P. People them say him in a custody, the police have him. This is America. Welcome to United States of America, my people. This is America. Nobody believe say him a go do things and go there in a hoodland and hide for much weeks and months. People never go find it. And they did find it. They did catch it. You understand? My people, enough love, enough respect, thank you for the love, for the support, for the like, the share, and every comments. You know, see, one team, one dream, one scheme. Happy July the 1st, 2025, my people. Be good, be great, and be safe out there. I'm out. Remember, people, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on X, NEWLINK Production, one attacking boss. And please like this video. Like the video, my people. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. NEWLINK Back to School Train 2025 September. Support the movement. Link up for your cause, the people. Do it from your heart. What is not? Sure. I'm out.